Keep cmd.exe command history between sessions? Is there a way to keep the cmd command history between sessions?
Switch to using PowerShell, and follow the instructions at the following site to enable history. This URL, archived. Alternatively, in cmd.exe, you can use /history at the end of your session to show what you typed in that session, but there is no way to really load it into the next session.
I found two ways, neither of which require switching to PowerShell. Install Clink, which enhances cmd.exe with persistent history and much more. Just install it and then open cmd as normal. Install tcc/la free version, which is a separate program, again providing an enhanced version of cmd.exe.
Saving history is a small workflow. Here's a less heavy way to do this: no external libs. Create a /cmd file to set up your history. In this case I called it my environment.cmd. Then run this from start and gt run. You can also set up an alias for this too. Every time I'm closing a session I hit quit, or if I'm afraid of losing history mid-session I hit save. If I want to grep for something in history, I just hit history keyword. Per Dave_Thompson_085's comment, the autorun feature works well if you don't want to use the /k switch. If you set up the registry key correctly, the .cmd or .bat does not need to be in %update%, it can be in the same location it already is. If you do use the %update% location, be aware that cmd will probably look for your batch file in the roaming folder, instead of the updater root. More info on the autorun cmd feature, this URL. Update, October 2020, on autorun. I've used this feature now for years, but would like to point out many programs that rely on cmd to run background commands. Visual Studio, Win32 apps, get very confused if anything runs before the past cmd command, for example versus developer prompt. If this causes pain, switch to the /k method.
I use Cygwin. It also provides some others functionalities that Linux has but Windows not.
If you want to see us again, please consider subscribing.